next award is the Outstanding Voice Therapist and Speech-Language Pathologist of the Year. And the award goes to SLP Sanjay Kumar, a renowned speech-language pathologist and audiologist. He specializes in non-surgical voice disorder management. An alumnus of AIIMS New Delhi and AIISH Mysore, he founded the acclaimed Sanjay Speech Hearing and Rehabilitation Center in Bangalore.
Yeah, my name is Sanjay Kumar, and by profession I'm a speech-language pathologist and audiologist, and I have studied from AIIMS Delhi. From AIIMS Delhi, I did my Bachelor of Science Honours in Speech and Hearing, and I did my Master from University of Mysore in the field of Speech-Language Pathology. My Master degree name is Master of Science in Speech-Language Pathology, and my passion is treating voice disorder.
Please introduce your organization.
And my center name is Sanjay Speech Hearing and Rehabilitation Center. And we started our center in the year 2010, and we are treating voice disorder, and we are expert in the non-surgical management of voice disorder. And people across the globe has taken services, either it's the online method or offline method. All the continent of the world, people has taken the services from us. Yeah, what we do, we try to create awareness with the help of the social media, and our YouTube channel is very helpful. Pre-post treatment video you put on the YouTube, and the people will see the success stories and they will reach, and that's why we are able to reach to the clients across the globe. Yeah, so what you do, you love, and actually speech language pathology is not my profession, it's my passion. So that is the main reason of my success. Personal success mantra is again, what you do, you love that.